Hi everyone. So today I have screen protector. This is the best in class. So Spigen is the company. So they have come up with a screen protector that you can install by yourself. So as you can see over here, they have like sort of a case to exactly put it on the screen of the phone, and then put the screen protector yourself. This is the specification. If you can see, if you want to just go through it, you can pause it and go through it. The price over retail price is written over here, though online if you go to Amazon you'll get it on a better deal. So after doing much research, I found out that this is the best screen protector that you can have. So let's go ahead and open this and install it on my iPhone 11 Pro Max. So here's a instruction manual how to go about it, and you help yourself to install the screen protector. And it comes in a 2-pack, so you cannot buy single. I wanted to buy in a single one, but here you go, you have 2 of it. Tool that they have given to remove the air bubbles if they go inside. So there's a dust remover stickers. It says do not throw away, use to remove dust before installation. Dust remover stickers, 2 of them each. Alright, cloth to clean the surface. And what is this? Cleaning wipes. So I need to make sure that there is no dust particle so that the case can be put on the screen properly and I don't land up removing it and wasting one of the screen protectors. I need to be very careful while using this cloth. Once here's the dust removal stickers. Let me just use one of them. Alright, so it says here that I think we have to remove the film, put it on, then press it here and slide, wait for 30 seconds, remove it here. Let's remove this. I want to just put it off so that there's no dust. Alright, so press and slide, wait for 30 seconds. I can see that there are bubbles that are going away. Just press once more just to be sure. Okay, 30 seconds, almost done. The bubbles are still going away. I can see over here the bubble is still trying to escape. A little bit still there. Just let me do this again. Alright, so we'll just go ahead and I think I have to remove here, sorry. So it says to, I don't know why it's not coming up. Okay, so we'll just hold it here, pull it off. It's kind of tough. Alright, here. Okay, so there's still a sort of a sticker here that we need to remove, but before that, let's go ahead and remove the bubbles. Lift this off. And let's go ahead and remove the bubbles. So as you can see, this was very easy, self-help at home, sit and do it within minutes, and no tension at all. The quality of the screen protector is amazing. Let's pick this up. Voila, everything is fine. So yeah, cool. So I'll put this back on my UAG case, and yeah, thank you for watching. I hope this video would help you if you are planning to get a screen protector for your iPhone or any other phone. So it's not particular to iPhone. Spigen has cases available for all sorts of phones, so you can go ahead and check it out online. If you want, I'll leave the link down below to this case, particularly for the iPhone 11 Max Pro. And thank you for watching.